Rinig mo yan, Miguel. You have it. You just have to work on your outfit daw tonight. Well, next week, tingnan natin kung ano yung susuot mo. Maraming salamat, Miguel. Thank you. You may now go back to the academy. Mga kapamilya, mapatunayan kaya ng susunod na performer na kaya niyang abutin ang kanyang big dreams. Narito, panoorin yung lahat.
Sa loob ng academy ay ipinakita ni Christian na hindi siya dapat maliitin dahil nagawa niyang makipagsabayan. Pero ang kanyang kanta ay hamon sa kanyang nakasanayan. Magagawa pa rin ba niyang lumaban?
Christian, sabi ni Lola, huwag kang iinom ng serbesa dahil ito'y hindi isang inuming pambata. Okay? Umiinom ka ba ng serbesa?
Di po.
O hindi, huwag kang iinom nun. Nakaka-headbang yung performance mo, pero tignan natin kung napa-headbang din ba si Mr. Haji.
Hello, Christian.
Hello po.
Nakakaaliw kang panoorin. Galing mo.
Thank you po.
Kaya lang tama yun. Gagatungan ko lang yung sinabi ni Tony kanina. Choice of song eh. Pinili mo ba yung kantang yan?
Nung may questionnaires po kami,
Oo.
yun po yung nalay ko po para kay Papa.
Oo, kaya lang, as you know, masyadong bata ka for that particular di ba? Parang hindi mali yung lyrics to sa edad mo eh. But anyway, ingatan mo rin yung timing mo, especially in the beginning. Nauuna ka sa tempo, no? Medyo sugod ng konti ang tawag doon, ano? And then, pero overall, nakikita ko you're very loose. Maganda yun eh. Malaking bagay sa isang performer din. I think malaking percentage yung nakikitang nag-e-enjoy ka habang nagpe-perform ka. Kasi pag ganun ka, nag-e-enjoy na rin yung audience with you. So congratulations. You're very good.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Christian. We enjoyed your performance. Maraming salamat. You may now go back to the academy. Pitong performance na ang inyong natutunghayan. Ano pa kayang ipapamalas ng iba pang mga scholars? Abangan yan sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Dream Academy First Gala Performance Night.
Oh, man.
Oh, why are we here?
Okay,
assessment. Okay.
So,
What do you think?
What do you
Okay, go.
Bea?
Yeah.
Bea, I mean, well, Bea surprised me tremendously. It's a very surprising performance considering what I heard in the rehearsals earlier. And si ano rin, si Miguel.
Si Miguel,
Yeah,
I was surprised tonight. It was a very good performance. Christian was, I didn't like the performance. It
He was
too
sharp.
sharp all the way.
Not my choice of song talaga.
When he was upstage kasi, may technical.
Kailangan ang magpapakatotoo. Hinamon ng galing at lakas ng loob. Ngayon, isang bagong hamon. Mula sa Endemol and the makers of Pinoy Big Brother, kakayanin niyo ba? Pinoy, hanggang saan ang tapang?
It's time to join the...
Live na live worldwide again. We're hooked here in Pinoy Dream Academy. First gala night. Nako, uber excited talaga mga tao daw. Well, here's the three scholars that's about to go on stage. But anyways, Zeb, bata ka pa lang. Hindi mo na nakasama ang daddy mo. So how are you gonna dedicate this song to him right now? Na hindi mo siya nakikita.
Sana lang, kaso hindi niya maririnig. Kahit hindi niya marinig, at least nagkaroon ako ng one song para sa kanya. Kahit na siguro mga grade 1 pa lang ako, last ko siya nakita. So,
got it. Good luck. You may go on.
Thank you.
Yes, pag-usapan na natin yung pakisama nila sa loob ng academy. Now, Van, sinong pinaka-close sa'yo sa mga girls lang? Sa mga girls?
Sa girls po.
Scholars, yeah.
Si Ate Bunny tapos si Chris.
Ate Bunny tsaka si Chris. Okay, ikaw naman, Apple.
Hello po.
For the guys.
Yeah.
Who are you close with?
All of them, I guess. As in, silang lahat.
Got it. Well, I wish all of you good luck. And Tony, are you guys ready there?
We are so ready, Billy. Patay raganda si Zell. Lalo pat ang dapat na inspirasyon sa kanyang kantay, hindi niya kapiling. Narito, panuorin nyo.
Sa loob ng academy ay pinakita ni Zell ang kanyang kakayahan at estilo na unti-unti pang lumalabas sa tulong ng mga mentors. Madamdamin ang kanyang rehearsals, pero ito rin ba ang kaya niyang ipakita sa harap ng live audience?
Before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then after stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again.
Salamat, Scholar Zell. I'm very sure, pag narinig ka ng daddy mo, he would love to dance with you with that beautiful, beautiful voice. Pero tignan natin kung ano masasabi ng ating resident juror, Mr. Louie.
Hi, Lizelle.
Good evening po.
So far, one of the best performances tonight. Nag-enjoy ako. Ang ganda ng kantang pinili mo. Tama-tama sa theme. Pati yung kulot ng mga boses mo. Ganda.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Okay.
Wow! All praises si Mr. Louie sa'yo. Congratulations for a job well done, Zell. You may now go back to the academy. Thank you. Ano naman kaya ang epekto ng mga lessons sa academy sa susunod na scholar na sanay mag-jamming sa banda? Narito, panuorin nyo.
Dahil nasanay sa mga kantang banda, hirap si Van sa mga relaxation techniques sa loob ng academy. Madali rin siyang maka-adjust pero bumabalik pa rin sa nakaugalian. Ano ang kanyang ipapakita sa kanyang gala performance?
I can't fight this feeling any longer, and yet I'm still afraid to let it flow. What started out as friendship has gone strong.